Hello, my testing 1 2 1 2. Just check. Yeah. Sorry for the delay. Today, due to some internet disruption, we didn't come at a time. So we are starting with today at this time. So just checking. Let me check. Is audio? Hello, my testing. Yeah. Audio is audible properly. Due to some technical and Wi-Fi issue, I didn't come at the exact time that what we used to come at daily. So no issue. Let's start today's live session. Let give me some uh, basic as basic to hero level else small questions to practice this and become hero in this concept. So from previous sessions we have been practicing the OOPS concept and understood the major pillar, which we have a 4 important pillar are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstractions. So in the last session we have been practice of questions, and that we have been applied all 4 of the important concepts, but we have seen that we have some of the lagging behind it, and we need more practice to adapt that, so we can move and understand in future about the system designing, how should we can do a system design and go for a large scale applications and all. So there we are what we say, brushing up our skills and knowledge regarding the OOPS concept, so it will be easy for us to cope up and go forward. So welcome to back. So our journey begins now. So let's start with the questions. It's today's question. Okay. So if you are joining and new, so you can hashtag comment basics together or comment it out. We will love to see that. Also, if you are continue watching, you have yesterday also began with us. We will love to see your hashtag comment continue. We will love to see all. Let's move forward. To help you become an absolute master of all OOPS in JavaScript, we will take a step-by-step journey. You will progress from level 1 novice noise. It's something like we seen in the Instagram reel, like noise. So comment it out, noise. So we will love to see to level 5 to become a hero. Okay, write a code level 1 first, paste it here, and once you will clear. Okay, let's go with the level 1. So level 1, the basic is encapsulation and private field. Go learn to how to lock a data to so nobody use can tamper. Okay, create a class user. Let's follow the thing. Yeah, from start. Yeah, it's similar to like learning to start. We are actually practicing and brushing up the OOPS concept. So in the JavaScript we are practicing OOPS concept. So if you are also don't know, no issue, you will be going to understand what we are doing. So we will be less working as a basics. So yeah, you can join us and practice together. And if you are practicing together, let me mention in comment. Love to see you. So we have been created like this. We remember use class keyword, and whenever you create a class, so your variable name should be, the class name should be capitalized. So first alphabet should be capital, and use curly braces like this. So let's go. We have a constructor, so using the constructor and username as a password, it will be intake. So here we will be using this keyword. Okay, this dot username island java. Okay, oh yeah, that's a great. Currently we are working with the JavaScript. So in this we are using JavaScript and understanding how the OOPS concept works here. So welcome to join our practice session. Here we are practicing with together and learning about how we can be expert and master in JavaScript OOP concept. Okay, here we have mentioned that it should be a private. So whenever we create a private variable, remember in the JavaScript you have to create a hashtag and the variable name. Like this you are creating a private variable name. So and to accessing this in the constructor, you have to remember you have to use this dot hashtag password. So you can access that variable. And okay, completely private. It's not private, it's a password. Okay, that's why it's giving the highlighted. So yeah, password. So how was it about the Java experience, Sun Prince? uh, I didn't work much in Java, but I have practice in JavaScript. So I want to understand the how system design is preferable in JavaScript technologies. So for that we are mastering the OOPS concept. So what is if you accept, okay, constructor password completely create a public method. Now we have to complete a public method. So password input string, input string, yeah, input string, it should be returned a true if the input matches the private password, and false if it doesn't. Okay, so let's check if this dot hashtag private, not private, it should be password equals to password, not input string. Okay, input string return true, else it will be return false. Okay, so let's move forward. Create a public. Okay, but we have been done this. Test case ensure private password outside the class and throw a syntax error. Okay, hashtag password. Let's see how it's working. Let u1 equals to, for here you have to remember you have to create use a new keyword when you call the class. And here we pass, what should we pass? Username. No, like okay, so username, oh yeah, that's good also. You can practice more and expert on that. Similarly we are doing in the JavaScript, so you can do in the Java. Okay, so user account, and we have to pass the password. So password is 1234. Let's store the password equals to 1234. Okay, and here kanji. Okay, so let's see u1 dot check console dot log u1 dot check password. Okay, so we are giving a password. Oh, why to save? Because we are already saving when we calling the user class account, so we are call, that's why. So let's give little bit wrong password first of all, so we can get. Okay, oh that's great. Yeah, Python is also good. I'm also practicing a Python little bit. So okay, just to see this dot username is not defined. Okay, so like this we are debugging also. Here you can understand the line number main.js, which means our main application is main.js. Here we have to see line number 7, line number 7. So line number 7, yeah, here I forgot to use dot, so that's why it given error. And Sunprince, it's about the Python. Yeah, Python is also a great language. It's easy to learn, and it has a most vast data to learn. Currently I am understanding in Python, it's about the numpy and pandas. Basically I'm focusing on the data science sector, so how it is working, how I can go to machine learning, deep learning concept, understand. So I'm exploring those area. So you can also explore after learning the Python basics and start there. It has a variable things. It's interesting most of the thing. Currently I'm understanding the numpy and pandas, statistic little bit. It is a future libraries that you will be also exploring soon. Yeah, nice to see that you have been exploring like this Java, Python. Yeah, good. Let's see now, run the program. Okay, false. Yeah, it's false because it's we have been run the wrong. So let's correct the password. Yeah, it's true now. So like this we have been checked, and this whole concept is called the encapsulation. Why encapsulation? Because here we are using a private thing. So encapsulations, here you can see encapsulation and private fill, the basic things. Encapsulations means to hide some things, and we have to create some private variables and private methods here. So let's move forward. Level 2 logic split is the abstraction. Basically abstraction means to hide the complexity of the things. So we have to hide the ugly things, like here goal, we got a goal, hide ugly calculations or rules inside the class, so the user doesn't have to think about them. Okay, let's understand these questions. Okay, so for now we are commenting this out. We will be check at the end of the questions solving, so we will be getting a feedback from our AI, so we can update our skill according to, and debug all the errors we are lacking behind it. Okay, so what is a abstract action? So we have a task, create a ticket booking. Okay, let's see, create a class using this ticket booking. Okay, so created a ticket booking, and here we have a constructor. Basically I forgot the constructor spelling every time. No issue, it's happened. Does it happen with you? You forgot some spelling every time? Let me know in the comment section. Love to see you. Constructor, take the base price. Okay, let's take a base price. Taken a base price as a movie. Okay, it's been a long time that I haven't watched a movie in the theater. Have you watched? It should have a private method. Calculate price. It should have a private method. Okay, let's create a private method. Okay, first capture this dot base price equals to base price. So here we can access. What about this private method? Okay, so creating a private method, remember, use hashtag. So create the private variables and this thing. Okay, you have mentioned something. Row stream grinding also create long and short form tutorial videos, bro. All the best. Okay, yeah, actually I didn't get too much time in the creating some tutorial video, but I'm sure we are together practicing, and we are actually today we are late, so you can join at 11:30 or you can join at 10:30. So we are 10:30 to 12 o'clock nearby. We are daily practicing oops concept, JavaScript concepts, so you can practice together, also you can understand. So yeah, love to see you in that. Okay, can we have this? Okay, sign in to chat. I have to sign in and it will be revealed something like this. No issue. Yeah, bro, we will really love to see you. Participation, top fan. uh, Something I can't do for now. Yeah, love to see you. Let's move to next. What we are having now, requirement, calculate tax. What it is about, base price, we got a base price, and calculate tax. So here we are back again. We have a price, calculate tax, price adds the 18%. Okay, it should have a private method hashtag calculated price, and had 18% tax to whatever price is passed to it. Okay, we have to calculate 18% tax. Have you know about what percentage of tax do you pay on your movie ticket? Let me know in comment section if you know about that, because I didn't watch a movie from a long time. So also recommend some movies, good movies to watch in theater. Calculate price, that adds 18%. Okay, 18% tax. Let's have ANS equals to price multiplied by 18%, which means 18 divided by 100, which is 0.18, right? You can, if 100 divided by 18, if we have xcali draw, right? Xcali draw, let's go with that. Xcali draw, if we have like, see, if we have 18 and we divided by 100, so what we got? So first 0 is 0 and 0. Yeah, we got 0.18. So directly multiply by 0.18 is the best thing that we can do. And after that we can add, and whatever price is passed to it, it should will have a private method calculated price, okay, that adds into whatever price to pass it, and we will be answer into 0.8. So plus answer, uh, what should we have answer? Okay, let's multiply this. So we got the answer, and price will be plus, so what will we cancel, and equals to return, and here we are return this. Okay, return ans. So we have been written. So let's see what the next okay, okay, just a second, let me see what is the next thing. It should have a forget a final price. Okay, this method calls the private text internally. Okay, so we have a get final price, so which is calling hashtag this dot hashtag calculate tax. Does it happens to you that we know the spelling but we enter wrongly sometime? Because it's happening with me every time. And we will be return. It should have this method called private text and return the final amount, and we are returning the final amount. Okay. Yeah, this we have been done. It should return when we call this here. So calculated price. So here we will be getting a price, price. So here we will be price, and it will be go here and calculate and give here. So we will be returning this too. After that, test the cases. Okay, let's check. It's now time for check our test cases. Okay, let's call t1 const t1 equals to ticket booking. Do you know why we add a new keyword in this? If it is, so you can mention, comment, we love to see. And what we have to pass here, let's just see. We have to pass a base. Okay, so normally I watch a ticket, it will have a 150 rupees, fair enough, and it should be having a something price. So t1 dot get final price equals to we don't have to price because we have a base price, right? It should be having a base price. This method calls the private text method, and it's written the base price. We have a ticket book, and this dot we have a base price, and base price will be go here with the price. Okay, and price will be calculated according to this and return. Let's just see by calling here. Okay, console.log. Let's just see. Okay, answer is not defined. Let's be fair enough, return from here. We don't have to define, so we got a 77. Okay, so yeah, let's just understand how it's calculated. So we are 150 price and 0.118. Okay, let's we have a calculator 150, and it's a percentage of 18, which is 27 plus 150, 177. That's a great answer is correct. Okay, you can see, just we check, and it's working fine. We have understood the abstraction also. Let's go move forward with the next question, that is the inheritance. We have been completed the abstraction and encapsulation till yet, and moving forward with the inheritance. If you are still continue with watching us, so you can comment out inheritance. We'll love to see your code. Your code. Level code sharing inheritance goal, reuse the code efficiency without copying and pasting. Okay, we don't have to copy and paste. Most of the time we are doing that only. That's a different thing. Task, create a parent class. Okay, let's create a parent class. Employee okay, created a parent class employee and child class manager. Oh, now the child class has a manager. Let's see, manager, and it should be extends employee, because manager is also an employee, right? Okay, constructor, constructor, and here we are of a constructor, no? And like this, similarly constructor we will be having in this also in our child class. We have been done copy and paste most of the time in the college times, because in the college assignments we have been a lot of assignment, and in the semesters we are trying to just copy and paste from a topper just for passing. So if you have done this, you can mention in the comment. We'll love to see your comment and your stories, like how you have been copy and what have been you given, have some bribe, or you take easily your notes assignment and free. So taken a parent, class, employee and child manager. Okay, requirement is employee takes a name and a monthly salary. Okay, let's give a name and a monthly salary. I say okay, it gets a salary. Good, because many of the internship doesn't give a salary or stipend anything. They just want a free work. What the hell is a free work? eh, you're giving a time and anything, and you don't want to give a in return stipend also. That's not good. Employee name is a name and a monthly salary in the constructor. It has a method get. Okay, it should has first of all this dot name. Forgot to do this every time, but no issue. Let's continue. Monthly salary. Okay, done with this, and now we are going to create a method get annual salary. Okay, annual salary. In the school time there was we are having an annual function, and that was amazing. I miss those days. Let's see what we got. Annual salary returns the monthly salary multiplied by. Okay, so let's return this dot monthly salary. Always remember this identify, I mean, redirect to the class object. This object refer to this current object. So now this is monthly salary will be multiplied by 12. Okay, and we are returning this. Okay, we got the annual salary. Now manager extends the employee. Okay, constructor accept must accept a name. Okay, name comma monthly salary as you wish. Manager got its name and monthly salary, and a unique property department. Okay, it's a particular department thing. So we are using a super keyword which passes the name and a monthly salary. Okay, remember to use the super keyword whenever you extend inherit a class, parent class to child class. Okay, and here we will be actually we are prioritizing inheritance. Okay, okay. Now we should, what should we do? We should create a department for our manager. Remember to what you do, mm, respect manager, because they helps a lot whenever you do something like disruption. So okay, management department test case. Okay, regard ensure the manager calls the get salary and successfully, even the method was method is written only in the parent class. Okay, method is written in the parent class. Const e1 equals to new employee has been created. Okay, its name is no, its name is Kochu, and its monthly salary is 50,000. Oh my gosh, he got a 50,000 salary. So how much the manager should we get? Let's manage one equals to new manager. And who is the manager? Kanaji is the manager. Oh my gosh. And Kanaji got 1 lakh per month. Oh, that is nearly a 13 to 14th LPA. It's correct. 13 to 14 LPA is 1 lakh. I think so. Maybe not 100% accurate. And department is IoT. I don't know IoT or IT admin. IT admin will be fine. IT admin. IT department. IT. Okay. What else we got? Let's test it with our test case. Okay. So even call m1. Let's call the console.log to print m1. We are calling with m1. What we have to call? Get annual salary. Annual salary. So here we are performing encapsulation, not encapsulation, sorry, inheritance. So let's just see, does our inheritance work? Oh, that is nan, not a number. Why this is so? I didn't get this. We have been used the super keyword, right? Okay, we didn't expect a nan. So if you are guessing the error that we have done in the code, you can be comment, so it will be helpful for us to decode easily and together practice. We'll love to see you. Let's see till now get salary. Let's just see first console.log. Okay, first let's store is this ans equals to let and debug. So we are doing a debug because we got an error. Monthly salary console.log ans. Okay, let's go and return ans. Okay, now runs the program. Nan, why it's nan and nan? I didn't understand. Name, monthly salary, name. Oh, the debug is we didn't do the salary thing here. And now we can see 1,20,000. How it's possible? And not 1,20,000, it's like a 12 lakh per year. Oh my goodness, that's a great package. I also want like this type of a package. So for that we are preparing and practicing. So if you can also practice, it's great. You will sure get a great package. So stay with us and practice with us. We will love to see. And we are now moving forward with the polymorphism, the shape shifter. Okay, the make the exact same method name do completely different thing based on object. Create a task base class is a notification. Let's create that notification. Okay, we haven't created a notifications. Okay, it's a class, so remember constructor. Let's have a constructor. Yeah, method notification with a method send a message. Okay, we have a method in that we have a message, and let's see what it will be doing. Requirement is send a child class. Okay, we are having a child class SMS notification. Okay, so we are practicing polymorphism in ops concept, which is the important pillar. And now we are creating a child class which is in a concept of inheritance. But before that, let's see the notification, not motification, it's a notification. And the spelling, okay, override. Before that, create a constructor, truct constructor. Okay, so we have created a constructor also. Now let's see. It seemed to be sleepy when we started work, but when we scroll the Instagram, it's been just like, oh, it's just an hour, but we are scrolling from a 60 minutes, and we seen likes to it's been 2-3 minutes. Okay, we have to override to log the console.log SMS. Okay, What we are doing is here is a SMS override. Okay, super dot send message, MESG. Okay, to log the sending SMS. Okay, let's understand the question more clearly. Make the exact same method name do completely different things based on object. Okay, understood. Create a base class notifications and the method send message. Okay, create a base class notification. This is a parent class and this is a child class SMS notification. Here we have created a send message. Okay, method. Create a child class SMS notification. Create a child class SMS notifications. Override send message. So it's overriding from here to here. Let's just call the super also for safety purpose. To log, okay, we are logging send SMS. Okay, sending SMS message. Mm, let's we try something new. So we have console.log, and in this log we are using a template literal. So here let's just use this, and this dot what we will do is sending SMS dot message. Why it is like this? Let's give a try. Not like this. Okay, message. Okay, we need a template literal here, so let write message, and here message is a sending SMS. Okay, sending email with a layout is message. Okay, we are a little bit confused. Let's just see. So if you know about this, that we are practicing polymorphism, you can comment and guide us where we are going to wrong. Okay, so we have to create a class. Okay, we have been created, and what is do we are doing is a message here. Okay, so SMS notification is this, email notification is this. Okay, we have to create another class also, email notifications. Let's follow the thing. Is email notification. Sometimes it happen. Okay, first of all we are creating a wrong thing. It's not like this. So whenever we create a class, so it's not have a round bracket. Okay, it's have a just a parenthesis. Okay, what is else we have been told? Okay, it's also override. Let's have a constructor first of all. We have a constructor now, and here also we are just doing a complementary thing, and send message is overriding. Okay, so email and with a layout message. Okay, this is what we can do is here is just give a try. Let's see. Overriding this message. Okay, and it should return something like what it will be do. Let's call the send, and here we are, what we will be get, we will be just returning that thing. Okay, if we are doing a try hit and a try thing, and we will be check this, understand how it's work. Because everything we can't know everything, we can check by hit and trial. If we have been done this and sending SMS, not SMS, sending, here we will be using this thing, and here we will be trying to this dot object name, class name. What should we do? How we can print class dot I just don't remember this thing, that here this dot class name, class dot name. Okay, let's go with this, try and hit error. If we got a error, we will be try to debug it how it will be going. So it's like something like this. Let's go with okay. The test case, put an SMS, okay, put an SMS object and an email object into an array. Okay, put an SMS object and an email object. Okay, first of all we create a notification class n1 equals to with new notification. Okay, create a new notifications. Here we kept empty constructor. Okay, no issue. And here we will be calling the let object array, obj array we have been called. And here first of all we have to create like, so s1 equals to new sms notification. Okay, create a sms notification. Let's create another thing which is e1. It's related to new notifications. So what do you love, email or sms? If you email lover, mention in the lemur email. And if you are sms lover, you can comment sms in the comment section. Currently today I got a internet disconnection, so due to that I have to contact my friend using sms. So that was a great experience, like 90s experience. Not 90s, it's 2010 to 15. We are using a keypad. No, it's older than that also. I don't know, don't remember that. But today is a great experience doing the sms. Okay, e1 and e2. So now let's array object of array obj array, and let's have this s1 dot e1. Okay, now let's run this for let I in obj array. We are having a let I in obj array. Not obj, for loop let I equals to 0, I less than obj array dot length and I plus plus. We are have a normal array. Okay, let's go with this. And what we are doing is calling the method. Okay, console.log obj array, and here we are having I dot send hello. Let's see what we got as output. And we got internal super keyword, line number 79, 79, 79, 77, 77, 79. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, we don't know constructor also, we don't need here. Okay, same the issue we can see here. So just removing this and running this here. Okay, send message is not defined, super dot send message. We got a message here, so we will be just okay, we got a message here. Okay, we will be sending this message. Let's run now and check this out. Send out message, value dot send is not a function. Why it's not a function? Okay, what is the issue? Line number 80, line number 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80 is here. And here we can see send super dot send is not a message. Okay, yeah, it should be as a this, right? This. Okay, return this dot message, return. Let's see this dot. Okay, line number 18, something is going wrong actually. We are doing this wrong thing. Okay, so what will be happening here, send message. Okay, this, and it should return something. So just see. Little bit confused. This dots and maximum call trace. For example, differently log the exact look sim command. It's something has wrong here. Let's just see. Send a message, it will be called like this, send. Okay. What is the issue? Both has a send and it will be override from this. So this dot send. Okay, first of all we didn't inform the extents here. Forgot to inherit it. So because of that we are getting the error of maximum call trace also. Let's just see now. This dot send. Okay, maximum call trace now. Let's just see what we have been done. Return. Let's put the return keyword also. Okay, now I think so it's no maximum call size extended. Okay, we are something doing wrong, just have to figure it out what and where we are wrong. Line number 18 we are wrong here. What is happening here? We can see extends notifications. So this is try to call this dot send, which means the parent class. This is a parent class and this parent class send I want to use here. So I'm calling this dot send message and this message is called here. Okay, and it should return something when it is asking to here. I'm passing this hello, it's got a message and this message is passed to this and it should return, which means here it should get a thing. Okay, let's just see. If we remove the return call, what we can see, just okay, yeah, just seeing the console.log. Console.log, I want to see, just check it out where we are wrong actually. Console.log, so we can understand. Console.log. Okay, maximum call stage, actually something we are doing wrong and we have to figure it out, but I'm unable to figure it out. If you are watching this and understanding the core issue, you can comment it out and guide us also. Okay, this is the issue, I think so. So we can try and hit and try that also. Okay, so new keyword, email notifications. Okay, extends keyword we have been used. Alright, first this is a parent class and this is a child class we are inheriting, so we use the extend. I think we should use the super. Let's try with the super dot send. Okay, this dot class name. Okay, we got it. So here we have to use the super keyword and we are getting the actual this dot class dot name. So let's just remove this thing and now let's just see. Okay, sending hello, return. Okay, now we have solved the actual issue. Return, let's return this and return this, return. So yeah, now you can see is console.log return send return. Okay, instead of this just call this, nothing else. Okay, we didn't have to console.log also. Oh shit, it's nothing like this, it's just like this. It's happening, sending hello, but what I need to see is super this dot class name. I think we can do this also. What it is about this dot, I want this SMS notification as a class name. This dot class name, undefined. Something we do that it's print the this dot class. Let's just see, undefined. Why it is so? It should take this name, this dot class. mm, is anybody have idea how we can call this class name here? What I knew, actually the whole program is completed. You can see sending hello is been calling by both of the thing, which is like this from here and from here. But thing is we have to just call this name here. Okay, let's try with the return. So if I think it's not will be error, just check. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Just the issue is okay, we are having a next question is a grandmaster hello blender. Before that we just fix this out. We are almost done. Output is also coming. I just want like this. We have output sending email with a log, email with a layout, SMS. Okay. We just want the this name. Okay, how to get a, okay, let's just google it. How can we get the class name inside the parent class? Let's just know and move forward. Okay, evaluate a runtime. Okay, don't forget to mention in the in JS this dot constructor dot name. Okay, we can do either this dot constructor dot name, this dot constructor dot name. Either we can do this or we can give it new dot target name. Okay, so we got it. So we crack it, and now we can see this is a sending SMS notification hello, this is sending email notification hello. But there is some special kind of thing is sending SMS. And okay, for now we are going moving forward with this because we haven't done this. Will we understand how we can do this, but let's move forward. And we have a new question arrive, and which is a master question. Let's see this. And we have been completed this polymorphism, I think so. Yeah, polymorphism C filter. And now moving forward with a grand question is a grandmaster. Let's face the grandmaster. We are in the next level of the question. So this is our mastery game, JavaScript mastery game. Okay, so level 5 is a grandmaster hello blender, locked until you pass level 1 and 4. This will improve the asynchronous simulation, strict data privacy, and a deep architectural hierarchy. Do not try to solve all of them at once. Start by writing level 1 to user account. Okay, so it will be unlocked only after our completing all the thing. So let's take a review from a Google, I mean AI mode. We have solved all the questions, QUS questions. So if you are new, so just we have now solved the questions like encapsulations, logic abstractions, and inheritance, and one more, polymorphism, the important concept on the oops concept. So we have been solved the questions, and now it's a review time. Now we have also we have solved all the questions, and now review it and guide us about our solution, how it is. So we even pasted our solutions to A. You did an amazing job rushing through all the 4 levels. Your comfort levels with the JavaScript syntax has shot up dramatically. You are writing clean and readable, highly functional code. That's great. Thank you. User account bug. Okay. There is a bug. I accidentally done something issue. Yeah. Okay. This dot username. Yeah. Just correct it. Yeah, assign it properly. Okay, this is the thing. Ticket booking, word it perfect, 10 out of 10. Oh, we got a 10 out of 10 also. This is a good text abstraction. 18% logic is completely outside, which is ticket booking in this question, which we got it exact right. Okay, so yeah, we got a 10 out of 10. Employee, this is a perfect. Understanding inheritance, so we have been inheritance. This is also 10 out of 10. The employee and manager question, we got the correct answer. Okay, notification in the polymorphism, I think verdict creative but bypass the true polymorphism. Okay, we got a verdict as a creative, not 10 out of 10. So we got something error. Let's see what is the error that we, your code works and output exactly what was requested. Okay, but our code was correct. What we they have asked, we have been submitted, but it has some tweaks. So let's just see and understand what the tweak was. Review the code SMS class, which means this one. Let's just comment it out. Okay, understand. SMS notification extends notifications. Okay, which is this part. We are using send message, return super dot send message, just calling the parent. Okay, here the child isn't actually overriding or doing anything unique, it just letting the parent class handles work dynamically using the constructor name. The oops way, true polymorphism means the parent class dictates a blueprint method name, but the child class completely overrides the body and its own specific internal logic. Okay, so it should like this. Okay, notification, and it should is have if needed base placeholder. So we have a base placeholder, but it should have not like this return. Okay, here we have been supposed to call console dot log. Okay, sending SMS, but our solution was also correct. It's nothing, but we will follow a little industry standard and understand the polymorphism true nature. Okay, console.log sending email. Does it happen with you that your thoughts like, yeah, we can do this, but let's do this way, but the thing is you guess the first time it was the correct. Okay, let's just see now. Yeah, it's the correct now, and we are got right for all the things, and we have unlocked the question that is level 5 grandmaster. So I think so it's too late, so we will be continue with this level 5 grandmaster tomorrow. And if you are watching till far, so you welcome to our community. We are here, we are every day practicing at night. It start from 10:30 to 11 o'clock between, and it stay from 1 hour daily. We are practicing oops concept and other JavaScript concept to master the JavaScript, understand the deeply, and understand how we can create next level things. So join with us and practice with us. Join with our community also, and subscribe to stay active and notified. So tomorrow we will be solving this question grandmaster and do the mastery. So we have been master the 4 pillar of the object oriented and moving forward with the next step. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.